Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guy. So, for today's video, we will be featuring three applications online that are for free that you can use in order to produce a text to video or AI video generators. So, on our top three, we actually have a text to image and a text to video feature for this one. This is called Artlist. So Artlist isn't actually for free, but you can start for free. So if you just want to get a good feel of what it's like to use AI, then definitely this is the one for you. They have here what they call the business page. So if you're interested in starting up your business and you don't really have like the marketing or the creatives to do it, then this is definitely a good option. As you can see here, they are partnered with multiple companies, famous companies like Ralph Lauren, Microsoft, Google, Apple, and such a variety of options for businesses. So here you can see that if you get the business plan, you already have a multi-user account, content curation service, and advanced copyright clearance as well. So that's very, very helpful. There are also songs here that you can use for free or without being copyright. So here, all you have to do is just write in the text image and then automatically generate it for free. But for this one, you're going to need to sign in. To sign in, you just simply need to hook up either your Facebook or your Google account, or if you want, you can also sign up for a free account with them. Next on our list is what we call Heyluo AI. So Heyluo AI is a text to video AI that you can use in order to create fun videos and even images as well. So here are some examples of users utilizing this video to create their own AI generator. So the fun thing about Heyluo AI video is the fact that this is sort of like Instagram or Facebook. So you can share the AI videos that you have created as well. So as you can see here, for example, let's view this one. So for example, this video it already has 95 likes right here. So you can choose to recreate this video, or you can choose, of course, to create your very own. So you can click here, create video. So just again, click sign in and you're good to go. But of course, there are certain subscription fees here, but for the most part, most of it are for free. So be sure to check that out. And of course, on our top one, on the top of our list, we have here Video Ocean. Video Ocean is a Chinese platform. It's absolutely for free. And the best part is it has stunning graphics for AI videos. So as you can see here, it can even do animations or anime. So that's really impressive. So again, similar with Heyluo earlier, you can recreate some of the videos that have already been created by other artists or by other people, like so. So just click on recreate. But first, you're gonna need to sign in. So the best part about this is, again, it's integrated with Google. So if you don't really want to like be bothered into creating an account, you can just link in or link your Google account with Video Ocean. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on these. Make sure to check them out because they are for free, and don't miss your chance now before any of these AI videos or video applications boom, and most of them may probably have prices in the future. So take advantage of it now while you can. That's all for Tech Help Guy. Well, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow us for more videos just like this, only here on Tech Help Guy.